have options for, liquid detergent, and this is going to be one of those options. This is the, of course, WBM laundry care detergent, liquid detergent. What you get with this is a 3-in-1 technology, powerful clean cleanser, free from fluorescent agents, natural long-lasting freshness, and of course works on a variety of fabrics. So you are getting one that is going to be great for all types, delicates, colors, sweaters, blankets, sheets, all that good stuff. So here it is. It comes in a 67.6 fluid ounce container. I feel again that is pretty average to the size of what you would generally buy whenever you are re-upping with your detergent. And, of course, as always, it gives you all of your lovely instructions should you need on the back for how much to put in per load. And of course, the lid does have the measurements to allow you to see how much you should do, of course, for small, medium, or large loads. And if you do choose to hand wash it, there is option, directions for that too. Yes, so this is going to be just another product that's really great for keeping your clothing fresh, clean, free of stains, and of course odorless, or giving it that nice, fresh, clean smell. The 3-in-1 technology, which is the detergent, stain remover, and of course color protector, which is pretty common for just about all laundry detergents, I feel. It does have a second lid, so I don't know if that's something that people are really concerned with, or have much of an issue with there being like, I don't know. Most people do like the ones that you can like push the little button and it comes out. This one's obviously not that, but let's see. It smells, so it doesn't have any of that like florally smell like the other ones did. Like it's not like lavender or rose scented or anything. It's definitely just like a clean smell. Certainly something that I wouldn't find to be like nauseating or difficult for anyone to use. Now, of course, if you are someone that is sensitive to fragrance in your detergents, then I would say maybe don't use this one. I don't think there's added, oh no, there is added like scents to it. So it's not going to be that like natural smell. So, just be cautious of that if that's something that you have any issues with. But again, this does work in all types of different laundry machines. So, you don't have to worry too much about that. And no, the water temperature will not affect how well this detergent works. So again, you can just wash this on a normal cycle with just about any type of clothing that needs washed. So this container of detergent is going to go for $12.99. Again, seriously, really reasonable. I definitely feel that detergent can go for pretty expensive. Now, if you wash your clothes a lot, then yeah, of course, you'll run through it, but this will certainly last you a good while. And, if you're someone that prefers to pick and choose what type of detergents you use on like different types of clothing, then, you might be able to consider that with one of these. Maybe you like the pods for some things and you like the detergent for others. So